from Hannah's Little Library, and today I'm going to do an unboxing of my bookish crate. I know guys, it's been a while since I filmed anything. It was just so busy. I got married, we went on our honeymoon to Finland, then Christmas and the holidays, and then work has just been killing me. It was just been so tiring. I'm a preschool teacher, so that can be very tiring. But yeah, I'm hoping this would be a new start of making videos for you guys, so I hope you enjoy. So let's start by opening the box. I'm very curious about this one. This is the February box, but unfortunately they have announced last month that they will be quitting. They will be quitting with making boxes. So this is not their last box. March is going to be their last box, but I wasn't in time to order one, so this will be my last bookish crate, which is kind of sad actually. Let's open this up. A lot of tape. Luckily I have my knife. Is it open now? Okay, yes, oh my god, it's so exciting. I don't know, I don't remember which theme it is, but it is... Ooh. I don't want to look at the back side, so... This is really nice. Oh no, I'm holding it back. Parallel Worlds. I'm not... Parallel Worlds, okay. Oh yes, now I can see. There's a well, and there's a well down there as well. Really nice. So, let's dig in. Lots of beautiful worms. Oh my god, I can see a Harry Potter figurine. Oh, let's start with this one. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh, please don't let it be the same one I already have. Okay, where's my knife? Okay, I love Harry Potter. Do you love Harry Potter? Oh my god, I love Harry Potter. I grew up with Harry Potter, so I'm a big Harry Potter fan. I'm Hufflepuff. Which is your house? Let me know down below. Okay. Okay. Oh no, it's in a bag. You can feel it. Oh my god, I feel glasses. Eee, I'm so happy. Oh my god, is it going to be Harry? It's Harry! Oh yay! It's a little figurine. It's Harry. Oh my god, I'm so happy with this one. So I can put it in front of my Harry Potter books. Oh, that is really nice. I'm so happy. Oh yes. There are some other figurines that you can get, like Hermione, Ronald, Voldemort, Malfoy, Hagrid, Professor McGonagall, and they all have an animal with them. I already have the Phoenix. I got that in another box. Really cool. Okay, let's dig for another one. Let's get all these worms out. Ooh, I see wonderful things. Yay! Some pins and bookmarks. Oh my god! Magnetic bookmarks. That is so cool. I don't know who these are. Oh, I'll look it up on the spoiler card. Magnetic bookmarks from the Mortal Instruments series. Jace and Clary. I don't know them, but they look really cool. Wow. And then we have these pins. Pins of Farewell and two badges of Victoria Schwab's Shades of Magic series. Wow. Time isn't the same for the mad and the blind. She bent almost all the rules, she broke the rest. She broke the rest. My cat is coming to have a take a look. Catty. You want to see him? Oh my god, he's huge. Here he is. It's our kitty. He's very curious, so let us be, kitty, let us be. Now, ooh, a very beautiful notebook from Alice in Wonderland. Curiouser and Curiouser, it says. Wow, it's a blank one. Really nice. I love the artwork on it. It's really beautiful. And then another notebook from Alice in Wonderland. We're all mad here with the Cheshire Cat. I really love the Cheshire Cat. He's one of my favourite characters in the whole book. Really cute notebooks. So these are the two together. Really nice. And then we have the book. I don't know this one. Gilded Cage. Gilded Cage is a heart-pounding combination of dark magic, political revolution, and forbidden romance that had me addicted from the first page. Sounds good. Gilded Cage by Vic James. Sounds really cool. So yes, let's open this up. Perhaps there's something else inside. Where is the opening? I'll just rip it open. Oh god, I got it. Oh my god, this is so cool. Can you see it? Oh, it feels really nice. I thought I saw something in here. No? No, nothing in here. So, Gilded Cage by Vic James. Let's see what this is about. Our world belongs to the equals, aristocrats with magical gifts, and commoners who must serve them for 10 years. But behind the gates of England's grandest estate lies a power that could break the world. A girl thirsts for love and knowledge. Abby is a servant to England's Cutty. And oh no! Look, there's something else inside. Oh my god! Thank you, Cutty. Let's move now, Cutty. I'll give you the box later. Cats and boxes, unbelievable. Look, there is a candle in here. I love candles. Chocolate, strawberries, and lily soy candle, and it's called Kel. Oh my god, let me smell it. Oh, it smells good. I love these bookish candles. I really didn't know them before I had any of those subscription boxes. So yeah, it's really cool. Yes, I think that's it. The box is empty. Here it goes. Sorry about that ending. My battery died, so that was it. That was the unboxing of the My Bookish Crate of the month of February. I hope you guys enjoyed. Give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. You can follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Goodreads, and don't forget to check out my blog. I will link it all down below, and I'll see you next time.